Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World, bringing you the news that matters. And today, this news, it matters. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got some leaks and rumors about the Gears 4 once again. And right now we're real close to the Unpacked event, and many of us were looking for the Gears 4 to show up at the Unpacked event alongside with the Galaxy Note 9. Now, from this leak and rumors, it states that that may not take place, right? Now, about a couple of months ago, we had leaks and rumors stating that Samsung was going to ditch its own operating system for Wear OS. And then we get more conflicting information stating from Evan Blass and Ice Universe that this will not take place, that Samsung was definitely going to stick with its own operating system, which made sense to me. I had high hopes that they would do two, one with Wear OS and one with Tizen. That would make more sense. Now we're getting conflicting information from Ice Universe again stating that Samsung is definitely going with Wear OS. Now he's saying that the name will probably be called the Galaxy Watch. We already know that Samsung has already patented the name, so we know that we should be getting a smartwatch that's called Galaxy Watch. He also goes to say that yes, we will be getting a 470 milliamp hour battery. We already knew that. He also goes to say that we will get a new UX interaction. So I don't know how that's going to work. I don't know if it's going to help for Samsung to keep the rotating bezel and somehow work that into Wear OS, because we already know that Google, once it places it in, so far as the UX is concerned, you can't take away from and you can't add to. Now, I don't know how true this is. Remember, take this with a grain of salt. It's only leaks and rumors at this point. But if you do not see the Gears 4 at the Unpacked event on August 9th, then maybe, just maybe, this info is carrying some weight. Now, if it doesn't show up at the Unpacked event, that means it's probably going to show up at IFA. Okay, so with that, that's going to be it for the news of the Gears 4. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this and you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.